So here's today's quick tip.
Whenever someone asks me, what can I do to get shots like yours? Like what lens and camera setup are you using? I know they're only asking this because they feel that their shots don't look a certain way and they believe a new lens or camera would suddenly change everything. So I always ask them the same two questions. When it rains, do you go out and shoot? And if not, why not? Alright, let me tell you a quick story. I went away on vacation a good few years ago, and from start to finish, every single day it rained. And I mean rained. I had no choice. I had to get out there and get my holiday pics, right? So I went outside and took a few shots. And I learned more in those 3 hours of shooting in that storm than I did in 3 years of previous photography, for real. You see, storms add a next layer of character to your images. They toughen you up. They make you shoot faster and more efficiently, because no one wants to go out and get a wet, broken camera, right? So look, remember this. The most dramatic moments are just before and just after a storm. Okay, so here's today's actual quick tip. The next time you see rain, start charging your damn batteries. Even if you wait till the storm passes, just get out there and take some shots, because trust me, no one else is willing to take those shots in the rain. You're gonna thank me for that one day.